Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Fancy Tech. Be sure to like and subscribe to learn more about innovative industries and technology. Technology helps us make our lives and daily tasks easier, more efficient, and secure. Latest developments in the fields of robotics and artificial intelligence are doing just that. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of behavioral intelligence of a human by computer systems and robots. Some artificial intelligence programs are introducing learning, reasoning, and self-correction into machines. Artificial intelligence gives robots a computer vision to navigate, sense, and calculate their reaction accordingly. In other words, through AI and machine learning, humans are teaching robots how to perform their tasks more efficiently and effectively. It will allow robots to positively transform our lives and workspaces by increasing efficiency and safety. In this episode, we're going to look into some of the emerging trends in the fields of artificial intelligence and robotics, so stay tuned. Atlas. Named after the Titan god of war, Atlas is a bipedal humanoid robot developed by the American robotics company Boston Dynamics. Primarily unveiled in 2013, Atlas stands 1.8 meters or 6 feet tall and was primarily designed for a variety of search and rescue tasks. This is the reason why the design and production of Atlas was also overseen by the New York Police Department. Atlas is equipped with two vision cameras, a laser rangefinder that allows to measure distance and between nearby objects, and a stereo camera that allows Atlas to stimulate human binocular vision, therefore giving it the ability to process three-dimensional images. Atlas can navigate rough terrains and can climb independently using its hands and fine motor skill capabilities and limbs that possess a total of 28 degrees of freedom. It can withstand being hit by projectiles and can also balance itself on one leg. Atlas has taken part in multiple DARPA robotics events where it has been tested on its abilities to perform various tasks like getting in and out of a vehicle, driving it, opening a door, climbing an industrial ladder, and using a power tool. Boston Dynamics has released several video updates of Atlas in which Atlas can be seen jumping on boxes, running across grass or an uneven terrain, or performing gymnastics. Hubo. Initially released in 2005, Hubo is a full-sized humanoid robot that can walk, run, dance, and grasp objects. Hubo has voice recognition and synthesis capabilities along with a sophisticated vision in which his two eyes move independently of one another. 3 different variants of this robot have been developed by Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology so far. The very first version, the KHR-3, Hubo could walk at the speed of 1.25 kilometers an hour and was able to play Kai-Bai-Bo, which is a Korean version of rock, paper, scissors, using its fingers that move independently. The second version, officially dubbed as the Albert Einstein Hubo, was the first life-size bipedal robot with an android head. The bipedal walking frame of the robot was the copy of the KHR-3 Hubo, while the head was an exact recreation of the late physicist Albert Einstein. Albert Hubo was able to speak and could cover a wide range of natural facial expressions. The third upgrade was the Hubo 2, a humanoid robot developed in 2009. With a slimmer design, an aluminum endoskeleton, and a polycarbonate frame. Hubo 2 is able to perform more realistic movements with its arms and legs. It has a movement speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour and it can run at speeds of 3 kilometers an hour. The latest DRC Hubo, which won the DARPA Robotics Challenge in 2015, has the ability to transform from a walking robot to a rolling one on 4 wheels by bending and using the wheels installed in its knees. Sophia. You might know this one from the HBO series Silicon Valley. Sophia is a social humanoid robot that was developed and activated by the Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics in 2016. Sophia is modeled after the ancient Egyptian queen Nefertiti and is famous for her human-like appearance, behavior, and ability to display more than 60 facial expressions while she is interacting with humans. Sophia uses artificial intelligence, visual data processing, and facial recognition to imitate human gestures and is able to answer certain questions and have symbol conversations. Cameras within Sophia's eyes, along with a computer algorithm, allow her to see, follow faces, and sustain eye contact and recognize individuals. She is able to process speech and have conversations using a natural language subsystem. Sophia received a pair of legs in 2018, which gave her the ability to walk, and in 2019, she learned how to draw from an AI expert, Patrick Tresset. Sophia is the first robot to receive the citizenship of a country when she became a Saudi Arabian citizen in 2017. Spot Mini is a 4-legged canine-inspired robot that was revealed by Boston Dynamics in 2016. It weighs 25 kilograms and is able to climb up and down stairs, open doors, and has a 360-degree vision and can operate within temperature ranges of -20 to 45 degrees centigrade. Boston Dynamics claims that the Spot Mini is the quietest robot they have ever built. The company also claims that the Spot Mini is built to withstand dusty and wet industrial environments and intends to make this robot commercially available in the future. It has already been serving in the Massachusetts State Police Department bomb squad since November 2019. Spot Mini will be using its different capabilities to remotely inspect facilities and operations in different industries, like construction and oil and gas. Kengoro. Developed at the University of Tokyo, Kengoro is one of the most advanced humanoid robots out there. The idea behind Kengoro was to build a robot that can mimic human body as best as possible using current technology. Kengoro is extremely flexible, and it can move its head from side to side and can even stand on its own tippy toes. Kengoro can also play badminton, do push-ups, sit-ups, back extension exercises, and heavily sweats while doing that. Wondering how a robot can sweat? Well, the range of motions that the Kengoro is able to perform is due to actuators installed in its joints. These actuators pull wires that help Kengoro mimic the contraction of human muscles. Like any other motor, actuators produce heat as well. And that is the reason why Kengoro sweats. Water circulates through its porous aluminum metal frame and escapes as vapor while releasing heat from the actuators, hence making the Kengoro sweat. Nina. Nina is a 1 meter tall humanoid robot that is able to talk through its mouth and has an articulated lips, jaws, and ears. Nina also has very animated looking brown eyes covered with moving eyelids. Nina has been in training for the last 4 years at the GiPsa Lab in Grenoble. According to the scientists working on Nina, Nina is learning speech, expressions, and gestures in order to behave in a socially acceptable manner. Nina is able to self-correct from her mistakes and is also getting trained for using eye contact as a medium of communication. Nina gets her training from a human pilot who steps inside the robot's body by wearing a virtual reality headset. The headset allows the engineer to hear the sounds picked up by Nina's ears and see the images recorded by the cameras installed in her eyes. Other systems allow Nina to copy the movements of human pilots using 50 actuators that help her move. GiPsa Lab claims that they want Nina to imitate the interaction it sees just like a human child that learns from adults. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss more videos on emerging robotics technology and much more. Take care.